Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an account on Binance. It's very simple. Let's start. First, open your browser and type in Binance. Now be careful and look for the official website of Binance to be aware of scammers. Now once you're inside, you will have a lot of options here. You can log into your Google account, Apple, or simply click sign up. And now fill the blanks like your personal email and your desired password. Now make sure that your Gmail account is active. They're going to send you a verification code. Now go to your Gmail and look for the code and paste it on your Binance. And once you're done, click submit. And now Binance will ask you to verify your account by simply giving them your most own identification. Just fill the informations they're asking and you should be honest about here. So I'm gonna cover my details here. Just put your own detail here. And also your date of birth. And once you're done, click continue. And after that, they're going to ask you your full address. You should be honest because later on Binance will ask for your identification card. It should be the same as it is on all you have filled it up. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.